Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another cleaning video. So I wanted to share with you guys what I did after we rearranged the living room, and some of this is going to be kind of the aftermath of what happened from, what came out of the living room, as well as I couldn't really get to the entire house that same day. So you'll see all of that coming up in this video, so definitely stay tuned for that. For those of you who are new, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to get everything clean so we can actually get Christmas put up. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate all of you. And yeah, let's jump into the video.
Asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here.
So first and foremost, before I start cleaning anything else, I had to tackle my kitchen. I had went grocery shopping the day prior, so I really, after you grocery shop, everything's kind of a mess. Well, that's an understatement in my house. After I grocery shop, everything is a disaster in my kitchen. And it leaks in sometimes to my living room. Luckily, that didn't happen this time, but I really needed to tackle the kitchen first, just to put everything back in order and have it feel clean. And that way we could get in the kitchen and make lunches or make dinner later on, and I didn't have to worry about it the rest of the day.
Ooh, I'm weak for you, yeah you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you, yeah you. You'll be the death of me, still your medicine.
really needed to tackle some areas that I don't normally clean. This bench is one of them. I actually have only put it here. It was actually in our room for a really long time, but it was taking up too much space in there. So I moved it out here as kind of like a place where the kids can put their backpacks and I can put my purse and my jacket on it, whatever the case. What I really want to do for that entryway space though is I really want to get an entryway table, and I want to be able to decorate that and everything. And then the bench will just have to probably go back into our bedroom at some point. I don't know yet, but I mean, who knows when I'll get an entryway table. I've been talking about it for like 8 months, not gonna lie. I have a hard time buying things. But anyway, coming up here, I'm going to be doing a little bit of dusting, and you'll see that I don't really take down a lot of my fall stuff right away in this video. I keep it up. However, now I have taken it down, just so you know. But I did purchase some new stuff this fall just to kind of have around the house. There was a really good sale at Hobby Lobby, so I'm guilty of going there. But yeah, and then later on, I'm definitely going to tackle the utility shelf. That became a catch-all from all the stuff that was in my living room that had to come out or like on the table. So we're going to go ahead and get that organized. And then I do end up putting that in the garage so that my husband can use it for garage storage or whatever he needs.
We had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would. Just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold.
So inside this entertainment center, I decided that one day I had a lot of space open in it. There was nothing in it. And one of the knobs has been missing for years on the right side of it, if you didn't notice. But we've had this entertainment center for like 10 years, and we love it. Like, it's been the best piece of furniture. It's like our last original piece of furniture from when we moved to Colorado, and we'll probably never get rid of it. But anyway, so I had so much storage space in there. One day I decided, you know what, I'm going to put some of Leo's toys in there. So I did, and I continue to do so and kind of go through it. And you'll see in there that there is puzzles, but we don't know where the puzzle pieces are. So that's a bummer. They're probably lost in their room, in some of their bins, and that's just life, I guess. But they had a lot of books in there, and I ended up putting all his dinos in there for him. And then later on, I ended up putting in his cars into a separate bin, and also the Play-Doh that he got too. So that way we know where all of that stuff is, and it's not being lost in their room. I do eventually want to do a video where I go through my kids' room again and really get down to organizing the things that they have in there. And then either take it out or donate it if they don't play with it anymore, that kind of stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and organize this shelf and then move on.
We gotta look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets, I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can.
So thank you to those of you who have stuck around into the end. I really appreciate you. And for everybody either returning or new, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the cleaning motivation and kind of me getting everything put back in order where it's supposed to be. And yeah, so I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Definitely keep a lookout for my next video. That will be the start of my Christmas decorating. Like I said before in my last video, I like to take it slow. I don't like to rush it because I will get very tired of it very fast, and I will want it down before Christmas if I go too quick. So I just want to take my time and kind of ease into it. And I have seen a lot of Christmas decorate, videos with me, and they are all so beautiful. All the trees and all the colors. I am really enjoying watching all the decorating videos. And I don't really watch decorating videos that much. It's not really what I'm into, but I do like Christmas decorating. So I am guilty of that. But anyways, yeah, I do hope you enjoyed all the cleaning motivation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Where you wanted me, I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help